Good morning, students. So, today we are here to discuss the next sessions, that is, session 16, definition, characteristics, importance of statistical tools. This was actually based on Fruit Zone India Limited D case, designing the research questions that was for cap activity of 10 marks. Now, I will give you a brief description of your questionnaire to be fed up in the SPSS software, which has already been done during a previous session, which was a workshop on statistics using the SPSS tool. Now here you are expected to complete an assignment which is based on your research papers data. The data could then be a primary data or the secondary data, and I expect you all to complete this using the SPSS. Now most of you all have got your SPSS softwares installed, and in the previous session we have discussed how to load the file, that is, to open a new data in SPSS. Open a new data in SPSS from file, and you can pull in your Excel sheets here if your data has been taken from Excel, or you can again have an option to open a data sheet which can be in any content. Now here is a sample which I have opened for y'all, and this is a sample of a research paper questionnaire wherein you can understand from the variable view that it consists of name, type, and you have various questions lined up here. That is, you have the name, age, gender, marital status, occupation. Then these are the variable 6 onwards are certain types of research questions, as in it speaks about do you have a life insurance policy, then which insurance policy do you have, how do you come to know about the insurance policy, which feature of the insurance policy is most close to you, what do you think are the benefits, are your customers, now this is a blank column over there, then are your customers believe, so on and so forth. We have a few questions from the questionnaire being drafted here, and these questions have been coded, and now the next step would be to conduct some analysis on these data. So from here on I move again to the data view, and the first part of your assignment which you are supposed to complete on your primary data is a submission of the analysis aspect, that is the descriptives of your data. Here among the descriptives you may conduct an analysis of all the variables which are there, or just a few of them as per your requirement. You just need to double click on it and it's added. Go to options and say continue and say okay. Now once you get the results, what does the result say? Although we have got the results, it's also important to be able to interpret these results. The descriptive statistics on age says that the age has been categorized from 1 to 4. That's the coding being given for different ranges of age, and the mean is between 1 and 2, that is 1.96. Now let us go back to the variable view and understand how the age has been categorized. So here in the values section of the variable view, you can very well see that age is 1 and there are no values being given. Let's go back to the data view, and in the data view there's a coding of 1, 2, 3 and 4 being given for the age. Now you may have also done the coding, you are also required to do the coding for your data, and depending upon the data your interpretations need to be done. That is, you may say if 1 is below